Hey man, what's going on? Alright, so here's my video. I'm having a little problems with my computer sound and audio, so I'm doing it on my phone. But here's my Lead Sleep dashboard. And well, for starter, over here you can surf and earn credits, which then you can use the credits to either post your own ads and other referrals for like affiliate marketing sites, or you can use them to cash out for actual money. So that's the cool thing about Lead Sleep. These credits can go either way. So this is somebody's ad that they posted, and as you'll see down here, my number of clicks today and credits today went up for viewing this. So you only got to view it for like 5 seconds. You close it out, click the next one, rack up a bunch of credits. So we'll go to like my clicks and credits here. Hold on, give it a minute to load. Oops. Okay, there we go. And you'll see like it'll show you this is how many clicks and credits I've gotten, and then this is from my downline. So the more people you have under you, oh sorry, this pink one is my downline. The more people you have under you, whenever they earn credits, you earn like 10% of those credits. And then we'll go to my ads. And like here's my Easy Hits for You ad. I was running this. As you can see, I had 13,000 visitors to this. This is for my email list. But right now I'm trying to build up my traffic, so I'm sending people here instead. I just Googled Easy Hits for You. I saved an image and I used that image. It'll have you type in like what do you want it to say. So we'll go to new ad and I'll show you how to set up the ad for it. Sorry, internet's being a little slow today. I think it's because my daughter has got too many devices on. So the URL, that would just be your Easy Hits for You referral link. So when you go there, like go to referrals, it'll give you a link right here. You just copy that and paste it right here. A catchy title, so that might be Easy Hits for You or unlimited free traffic. Ad text, whatever you want, like massive free traffic exchange. Relevant image, that's where I went to Google and just typed in Easy Hits for You, went to images, saved that image and placed it in there. And then category, I think I did traffic exchange, because that's what it is. And then just save and submit. I already got one, so I'm not going to save this one. But and then down here there's actually different ways to earn. So if you've clicked so many times per day, you get money. See, like this is how many credits I earned and this is how much money I earned that day. It's not a lot, but I don't really click on this one a lot. I click more on Easy Hits for You because that's the better traffic exchange, but this one earns more. So you want the people here going there and you want the people there going here. You're going to grow both of them at the same time and get massive traffic. And then at that point you can promote anything you want, because you're going to have thousands of people automatically every single day viewing your offers. So you just go to like affiliate links and tools, and here's going to be your referral link that you're going to use for the URL and Easy Hits for You. So you can just pick it up right there. And then this one sign up a day, you can use this right here. You can use this as an affiliate link. It's a free ebook, so you can give away this free ebook. Somebody clicks on it and they sign up to Lead Sleep. You get the referral. You can end up earning money. So let's go to affiliate commissions now. I'll show you my money. It's only $11.50, but it's per person per month, and you know, it starts building up over time. So the more people you have to here, the more money you can earn though. And then your followers will pay you money And see, I got a couple of pro members, and I don't ask somebody to become a pro member. I think the benefits are worth it. A lot of people stay free, and that's okay. And then a lot of people upgrade to pro, and you get paid for it, and that's okay too. And then over here, this is easy hits for you. So the first thing you want to do is go to websites, and we'll set up the website. And this is going to be Lead Sleep. So add new site. The link, that's going to be your referral link that we found over here. So again, you go to affiliate links and tools. Here's your referral link. You paste that right there. Title might be Lead Sleep. Do English, and then how many credits you want to assign. You can also auto assign credits if you want like 100% of your credits going towards this ad. Next thing you can do is banner ads. And banner ads are like, I'll show you what banner ad is later. It's just like a small image. It's about this size. Like if you see an image that size, that is an ad. And then you got text ads. And the same thing applies to all of them. You just go to add a new one. This is like the title of it, the description. Your target link is going to be your referral link, which is Lead Sleep right there. And then you just click save, which I already have Lead Sleep here. So, and then on here, you can upgrade, but the only thing you get for upgrading is you earn more credits. You don't actually earn more money on here, but you earn more credits if you have referrals. You earn like 10% of their credits. So on this one, it's better to just keep getting more referrals, and that's why we send our Lead Sleep ads over to Easy Hits for you to get more passive credits, and then you don't have to click for credits as often. But to click for credits, I don't know what the difference between these two are, but we're gonna do this. You just click start surfing. On this one, I actually have it on my phone. I know you're using your phone. Lead Sleep is a little trickier to click for credits on the phone, but this one, I prefer using it on my phone because it's easier. So you'll have no problem with that. Just give this a second, it'll pull up. Okay, so this is the timer bar. When this reaches, this right here is a banner ad, by the way. So when you have banner ads, it's just going to show up there. We'd have like Lead Sleep. They click on there. It would be your referral link to Lead Sleep. There should be an ad right here. I don't know why it's not pulling up right now. But all you got to do is like, there's 5 images, and 2 of these are gonna be the same. So the 2 red targets right there. You just click that, and you see I made 0.5 credits. So I've served 119 times today. Yesterday I did like 900 times. And you'll see how many credits I have available. I have 30% auto assigned because I like manually assigning where I want my credits to go. But you can also make it easy and just do 100%, and every single credit you earn would go to that Lead Sleep ad. And then I don't know why these aren't pulling up. Like I said, I think I'm having internet connection issues. But this should be like a like somebody's sales page, right? Or an email list builder, or sign up for somebody's email. This is where people are trying to advertise. So these are advertisements right here. It's just blank because my internet connection is being messed up today. But our advertisement is going to be Lead Sleep referral. And then over here on Lead Sleep, we're going to have these advertisements, which is going to be Easy Hits for you. The more you click, the more credits you get. The more credits you have, the more your ad shows to other people. And the more your ad shows to other people, the more referrals you get. And it grows both sides at the same time. And even if this one doesn't make you money, this one is so much better at generating traffic. So like I said, you can have like thousands of people every single day see your offers for doing this for free. So that's why I love it so much. it's definitely going to help build your business for free, because traffic is such a big thing with affiliate marketing. And you can take all the courses, you can take all the training, but if you don't have any traffic coming into your offers, it doesn't mean anything. And this is the best free way to just like thousands of people to see your offer every single day. And people do click. As you saw my lead sleep, I have signups on my lead sleep that came from easy hits for you. Here, I'll show you. Like, look at this. See all these hits from easy hits for you, and then I have a couple other sources leading back to lead sleep as well. But like with all these people, you start to get sign-ups and followers, and the more followers, the more money you can make. So that's why this is great. If you need any help on anything more specifically, like, get in there, mess around, see if you can set it up. If you still need help, you can always just start clicking, because the more credits, like, you'll use those credits sooner or later. The more you click, the more credits you get, and the more your ads show to other people. So just start that, and then if you have anything specific, send it to me and I'll help you with that as well. Hope you have a nice day, and I'll talk to you later.